Are you a real estate agent tired of chasing clients for small commission checks, only to realize that you're not really your own boss? You're working on someone else's schedule, and despite all the hustle, you still haven't built any real wealth. My name is Roberto, a realtor turned investor, and I can help you start investing in real estate by implementing a simple step-by-step system to confidently find profitable deals with little to no money out of your pocket and flip them for maximum profit within the next 90 days. Now, keep watching this video if you're tired of opening doors, chasing clients, and tired of seeing other investors make big profits on flips and buying rental properties. Chances are you got into this business just like I did, thinking that you would somehow learn how to invest in real estate in order to build your wealth, but only to find out that as realtors, we're actually never taught how to invest in the very product that we sell. Instead, you spend your time running around chasing clients and you work with them for months, always accommodating to a schedule, never actually your own boss. And most of them end up never actually making a move. And at the end of it all, you're actually just left with just a job. You see, just a few years ago, I was also stuck just chasing commission checks, working endless hours with buyers and dreaming of investing in real estate. But that's because I had no clue where to start. I consumed every book, every podcast, and every Bigger Pockets article I could find. But when it came to actually pulling the trigger, I was still scared and overwhelmed by the whole process. Then one day I said, you know what? Enough is enough. At that time, there was a property that came up on the market. It was literally actually a couple blocks away from where I live. And I ran over there to check it out, and I actually got a tour from the owner himself. In that moment, something inside of me said, I think this is the one. So I literally ran back home, I got a piece of paper, and I ran some rough numbers, even though I had no clue what I was doing, but I still decided to take action. 2 months later, after making plenty of mistakes along the way, I flipped it for $30,000 profit, on top of my commission on the front and back end. That first deal completely broke my head, and it completely changed my mindset. I said to myself, okay, if I can make $30,000 on a deal where I had no clue what I was doing, how much more could I make with the right systems, the right tools, and the right people in place? Fast forward to today, my team and I have successfully flipped over 13 properties just in the last 24 months, averaging about $46,000 per deal. And here's the truth. It actually doesn't take dozens of flips to generate life-changing income. We actually focus on fewer deals with higher profit margins, allowing us to not only flip for profit, but also reinvest that money into rental properties, which is the real wealth-building asset. After my first fix and flip, I made it my mission to create a simple, repeatable, and profitable system that I could use to remove that fear and to give me a clear roadmap to success. Listen, I know firsthand how confusing it is when you're just starting off, not knowing where to find deals, how to finance them, or how to renovate them without losing your money. And that's exactly why I created the simple 3F Fix and Flip Blueprint, a step-by-step system designed specifically for realtors to land, fund, and flip the first deal with confidence. The simple 3F Blueprint breaks everything down into 3 simple steps. Number 1, find where and how to source great off-market deals. Number 2, fund how to actually finance your flips, even with little to no cash, using creative strategies that most people don't even know exist. And lastly, number 3, fix a streamlined renovation process from hiring contractors to maximizing profits without overpaying. And this isn't just theory, it's the exact system that I've used to flip 13 plus properties in the last 24 months. And if you follow this framework, your first flip could just be 90 days away. Take Carlos, for example, one of my recent students who had actually zero experience analyzing deals. Within just 30 days of working together and following my exact system, he locked in his first profitable flip. Before, he actually had no idea how to even analyze a deal. But after using my proven underwriting process, he could quickly and confidently determine if a property was actually a great deal or a deal to pass up on. Now he's on track to pocket $20,000 from his first deal. So at this point, you have 3 options. Number 1, you can do nothing. Keep grinding as a realtor, chasing clients, working endless hours and stacking commission checks, only to realize that years from now, the only thing you've built is a job, but not wealth. And I'm sorry if that sounds harsh, but that's the hard truth because I've been in that position. The second option is to try to figure it out on your own. You can binge watch every single YouTube video, listen to every podcast, and read every book, spending hours, months, or even years guessing and making mistakes, and still not knowing when or if you'll ever land your first deal. Or the last option, you can work with me to fast track your success. Instead of wasting your time and money making costly mistakes, you'll get a proven step-by-step system from someone who's actually flipping houses right now, not just some person selling some theory to go invest in this thing. I continue to invest my own money into deals because I know this thing works and I see the power behind it. The only question is, how much longer are you willing to wait to start building real wealth? If you're serious about making a change in your life and want to actually start investing in real estate, then all you need to do right now is go ahead and book a call with me using the link below, where I'll walk you through the rest of the process to give you a custom plan and talk about the next steps of working with me. I will see you on the other side. Peace.